Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Xentec 9006 is probably one of the most sought-after upgrades for drivers looking to dramatically enhance their nighttime visibility and vehicle aesthetics, transforming dim, yellowing factory headlights into a brilliant, crisp beam that cuts through darkness with superior clarity, ensuring a safer and more confident driving experience while giving your car a modern, high-end look that truly stands out on the road. Number 5. Xentec 9006 HID Xenon Bulb. Introducing the Xentec 9006 HID Xenon Bulb. This ultra-white pair delivers superior illumination for your vehicle. It boasts an impressive output of up to 3000 lumens, 3 times brighter than standard halogen bulbs. Each bulb is machine-calibrated to ensure perfect color precision. Please note, these are replacement bulbs only. They require a compatible Xentec HID ballast to function correctly. These bulbs are sold as a pair and are specifically designed for 9006 sockets. Before purchasing, kindly verify that your vehicle uses a 9006 socket. For optimal performance and easy installation, it is fully compatible with Xentec ballasts. Ensure you have the correct setup for a flawless upgrade. What we like. This bulb offers a brilliant 3000 lumens and a precise 6000 K ultra-white light. If you are looking to upgrade your existing Xentec HID system with a crisp, bright white light, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for drivers who prioritize clear visibility and a modern aesthetic. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points can be extracted or quoted from original content. Number 4. Xentec 9006 8000K HID Xenon Bulb. Experience superior brightness with these bulbs. They deliver up to 3000 lumens, which is 3 times the output of standard halogen bulbs. Each bulb is machine-calibrated to ensure exceptional color precision. Enjoy the stunning iceberg blue hue consistently. These are designed as replacement bulbs for your existing HID conversion kit. For optimal performance, they require a compatible Xentec HID ballast. All bulbs are conveniently sold in pairs. This ensures you have a matching set for both headlights. We recommend professional installation to ensure proper setup and safety. Before purchasing, please verify your vehicle's existing bulb size. What we like. This option provides the same powerful 3000 lumens but with a distinctive 8000 K iceberg blue hue. If you like a unique, cooler light temperature that stands out, this bulb is for you. It's ideal for those who want to add a touch of personalized style to their vehicle's lighting. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no positive points could be extracted as requested. Number 3. Innovited HID Xenon 9006 HB4 6000K Replacement Bulbs. Experience superior illumination with these Innovited HID Xenon bulbs. They offer a brilliant 6000 K diamond white light, transforming your night driving. These powerful bulbs deliver up to 3000 lumens of light output. That's 3 times brighter than standard halogen bulbs, ensuring enhanced visibility. Designed for versatility, they are compatible with both 35W and 55W ballasts. These bulbs work seamlessly with most aftermarket HID lights, just ensure your connectors match. Please note, these replacement bulbs require an HID ballast to function. They are compatible with both DC and AC HID ballasts, providing flexible setup options. Before purchasing, check the fitment notes to confirm the correct bulb size for your low beam, high beam, or fog light. If you're unsure, our team is ready to assist you. Each package contains 2 Innovited HID Xenon replacement bulbs. They come with a convenient plug-and-play power harness for easy installation. What we like. These replacement bulbs offer a bright 3000 lumens and a clean 6000 K diamond white light. If you have an existing HID system from various brands, its broad compatibility with 35W and 55W, AC and DC ballasts makes it a versatile choice. This is perfect for users seeking a reliable replacement that works with most aftermarket setups. What people say. Number 2. Xentec 9006 HID Xenon Bulb Kit. Experience superior illumination with this advanced lighting kit. It includes a pair of 10,000K HID xenon bulbs and two 35W digital slim ballasts, providing a distinct ocean blue light. Before placing your order, it's crucial to verify your vehicle's existing bulb type. This ensures a perfect match for optimal performance. If you're unsure about compatibility, consult the Sylvania Bulb Reference Guide for accurate information. Remember, it requires a 12V input for proper operation. Relying solely on Amazon's part finder may not guarantee fitment for these bulbs. Always double-check with the Sylvania Guide for certainty. While some pre-assembly might be needed, professional installation is highly recommended for these components. This ensures safety and correct setup. Please be aware that certain vehicles may require an additional canceller for these lights to function correctly. This helps prevent error messages or flickering. What we like. This bundle provides a complete HID conversion kit, featuring a striking 10,000K ocean blue light and slim 35W digital ballasts. If you are looking for a full upgrade and a very distinct, deep blue light, this package offers everything you need. It's ideal for enthusiasts who want a complete, eye-catching lighting transformation. What people say. Number 1. Xentec 9006 8000K HID Xenon Kit with Slim Ballasts. Introducing the Xentec 9006 HID Xenon Kit. This comprehensive bundle provides everything you need for a brilliant lighting upgrade. Each package contains two high-quality xenon bulbs, two powerful 35W digital slim ballasts, and all necessary installation accessories. It's a complete solution for your vehicle. These 8000K light blue xenon bulbs are designed to fit the 9006 HB4 socket size, as specified. They deliver a distinct, bright light for enhanced visibility. The included 35W DC digital slim ballasts ensure stable and efficient power delivery to the bulbs. Their compact design allows for easy placement. Some pre-assembly might be required before installation, and professional installation is recommended for optimal results. This ensures a smooth and secure setup. Before ordering, please confirm your vehicle's existing bulb type. A 12V input is required, and consulting a vehicle bulb reference guide is advised for accurate fitment. What we like. Another comprehensive bundle, this one features an 8000K light blue color and includes slim 35W digital ballasts and all installation accessories. If you are starting from scratch and prefer a cooler, light blue aesthetic, this kit offers a convenient all-in-one solution. It's perfect for new HID users seeking a complete package with a stylish, cool-toned output. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.